In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how autosave works and how to recover your project, which means restoring a recent backup if Premiere crashes or closes unexpectedly. Autosave is a built-in safety feature that automatically saves backup versions of your project at regular time intervals. Let's begin. First, let's check your autosave settings. Go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Preferences and select Autosave. Here you'll see options like Automatically Save Projects checkbox, Automatically Save every few minutes, Maximum Project Versions. Make sure Automatically Save Projects is enabled. You can choose how often Premiere saves your project, for example, every 5 or 10 minutes. You can also choose how many backup versions Premiere keeps. Now let's see how to recover a project. Go to the folder where your main project file is saved. Inside that folder, you'll see another folder called Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave. Open that folder, you'll see multiple backup versions of your project saved with timestamps. Simply double-click the most recent version to open it. Once opened, immediately go to File arrow Save As and save it as a new project file to continue working safely. Autosave does not replace your main project file. It creates separate backup copies in case something goes wrong. This feature can save you from losing hours of editing work. And that's it. You now know how to use autosave and recover projects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.